Hello everybody. I hope all are doing great. And a very positive morning to each and everyone. And today I came up with a very interesting topic, how to control your own anger. It's the never ending process and never ending topic, right? Yes. And earlier I have made one video on this anger, and I told in that video like anger is like a garbage, and how much you put more and more, that garbage will become more and more on your head, and you can't control that anger. So today I want to share more with the help of another story. So let's dive into today's story. Yes, once in a town there was a very famous Guruji, and people used to visit him to control all his problems and angers and failures and fears, everything. Whatever with the negative thing is there inside the person, they used to visit him, and with very small tips, they used to show and do the miracles in their lives. So like that, the Guruji became more and more famous. So on the other hand, in the same town, there was a millionaire, very rich person, and he used about this Guruji, he heard about this Guruji here and there, and he want to visit him and tell him the good luck. And he bought so many big gifts and fruits, and he went towards Guruji. And as and when he went, he want to go inside the room. Outside of the door, the watchman stopped him, and he requested him to wait for some time outside, because the Guruji was talking with somebody else inside the room. So this man got anger like anything. What are you thinking about me? Do you know who am I? How dare you are to stop me? Are you stopping me? How much time I should wait? I'm not came here with any problem. I want to wish Guruji. What are you thinking about me? How dare you are stopping me? And he kicked the door and he went inside. And the Guruji was not at all aware of this person. And he went inside and he started shouting there before Guruji also. And he used very abusive language. And how dare you? Is this the way to invite the people like me? To invite the millionaires, the rich people like me? Are you not having any common sense? What are you thinking about me? How dare you are to stop me outside? And he used so much abusive language to can't control his anger, right? He's not having patience. And finally he told, I will see your end. I know how to control you. I know who you are. Definitely I will see your end. And he shouted, and finally he left the place. So now, one of the disciples of the Guruji asked him, What's went till now here, Guruji? I'm not at all good, and I felt so bad, and it's not at all fair enough. And it's the unforgettable situation in my life. And why you not responded? And he requested the Guruji to tell the answer. And it's better if you responded him, it will be some more better. Why you not reacted, Guruji? What happened to you? What happened in that situation? Why you not responded? It's not at all fair. And moreover, the language which he used is not at all the correct language, is not at all the way he should talk before the people like you. Why you have not stopped him? He requested. So finally the Guruji replied, Yes, my dear, I have not responded because I have not accepted him. I have not accepted him. If I accept him, which means the words which he told till now, it may reflect on me, right? For example, one person came to you and asked you some money or something from your home. If you give him, he will take, which means he accepted, right? If you don't give, he will not accept. So in the same way, the anger also. If you accept the other person's anger, if you accept the other person's words, it will definitely reflect on you. If you don't accept that, it will not at all reflect on you. Do your work. You no need to focus on the other people's perspectives. That's completely his perspective on me, right? It's not at all my perspective on me. I know what I am. I know who I am. I no need to accept his perspective. So in the same way, this situation definitely relates in each and every relationships in your life. It may be wife and husband relationship, it may be brother and sister relationship, or it may be mother and kid, or the father and the son, between the parents and the kids, between the teacher and the students, or between the friends. Whatever be the situation, whoever be the persons, right? If two persons are talking, one person is completely anger. His body is filled with anger. He can't control his anger. And the other person, he should control his anger and as well as this person's anger too. Because if both people got anger, if both people discuss and both people use abuse language, the situation, the surroundings, it becomes polluted, it becomes more negativity, it fills with more negativity, right? So this person should control this person. His thoughts, his anger, whatever comes in his mind, he should control. When it's possible only the person who thinks positively and watches positivity and spreads positivity. Then only it's possible, right? So please share your positivity. Please share your love and peace surrounded by you. If you share, definitely your family, your relatives, your friends, your kids, everybody, you will definitely see some positive change around them. So please think positively, spread positivity, and watch, see, speak positivity. And that's it from my end. So please control your anger. And till next week, your Harita signing off. And moreover, I want to request you all people that how you are controlling your anger and how are you controlling or are you expressing? What is the way you express your anger? So please tell your thoughts. Please tell the way in my comment box. And I will definitely respond to your comments. And thank you so much for watching. Thank you. Stay blessed. And till next week, your Harita signing off. Thank you so much.